I didn't even see her. I didn't even see her. She's checking out the hens. Okay. All right, come on, girl. You got to go back in. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No, 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 no. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Wait. Underneath my arm. Wait, wait, wait. Ah. All right, come on, girl. All right, so I think there's 2 more out floating around somewhere. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, nope. Wait, wait. Here we go. Okay, that is, let's see, let me count here. That is 2, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 2 more out. Okay, so 9 in and 1 out. Where is that elusive? Oh, look at Jordy. Look at Jordy, boy. Look at him, poor boy. Okay, let me help you, bud. Let me help you. Let me help you, bud. Here, let me help you. Come on, come on. Okay, okay, I got him. Yay, Daddy's here to save Jordy. Daddy's here to save Jordy. Yay. Poor boy. He would have been fine though. He just seems okay. Now, where is this little elusive little critter? Up here somewhere. They love this banana area because there's so much vegetation and so many bugs. All right, well, here we go. Where is that elusive little critter? Nope, I don't see her yet. You know, she might be under, I bet you she's under the house. Yeah, checked out here. Nope, not out here, I don't think. Out in the back 40. Okay, I think by the house. We'll see. Hey, you gonna come help me look? Come on. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, girl, come on. Come on, hey. All right, I think somewhere over here. Nope. All right. All right. Got to keep looking here. Checking the pond area. Nope. I don't see her out here anywhere. Okay, spotted her over there by the shed. Okay, great. So that is now 10. Great. All right, come on, girl. The last holdout. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, then you get dinner. Then you guys get dinner. Okay, you can have dinner now, baby. All right. So here you go. Here you go. Wait, 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 wait. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to give him dinner right now. Okay, here we go, guys. Dinner time. Dinner time. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And I got to check for eggs because I did not check this morning because she was sitting on them and I didn't want to disturb her. So, 5 eggs here. 6, 5 here. Ow, ow. And 1 over here. 1 over here. Okay, so that's 6 for today, yay. Okay. All right, that is the adventures of the Chi Homestead hens. Happiest, healthiest chickens in Thailand.